Current diffusion models are hitting a hard ceiling. They excel at photorealism, but consistently fail on ambiguity, logical reasoning, and out-of-distribution knowledge, because they're still fundamentally relying on shallow text-to-pixel statistical mapping. Enter RSGen, a training-free, multi-stage agentic framework that completely restructures how image generation and editing work. Instead of a monolithic end-to-end pass, RSGen decouples the pipeline into a four-agent system driven by a questioning and solving closed loop. First, the image router handles coreference resolution across multi-turn prompts, anchoring exactly which pixels or regions need modification. Next, the intent analysis agent evaluates task complexity. If it detects a knowledge gap or a logical puzzle, it routes the task to the reasoning and search agent. This is where the heavy lifting happens. Borrowing the React paradigm, the agent runs a strict thought-action observation cycle. It autonomously invokes external tools like web search, visual question answering, and deep reasoning models to fetch factual grounding and solve multi-step logic problems. Crucially, RSGen implements a delayed resolution mechanism. It refuses to guess on out-of-distribution entities or physical state evolution until external evidence is secured, which actively prevents the factual hallucinations that plague static models. Finally, the image generation agent doesn't just output pixels. It runs a generate-verify-correct loop. An MLLM judge evaluates the candidate image against the original instruction, flags semantic or topological errors, and dynamically updates the generation strategy until the output passes strict alignment checks. The results? On the WISE verified and RISE benchmarks, RSGen pushes open-source models like QNimage to state-of-the-art performance, with absolute gains of over 30%. Its plug-and-play requires zero fine-tuning, and proves that explicit reasoning chains and closed-loop verification are the missing pieces for truly intelligent visual generation. If you want to see how agentic architectures are finally bridging the gap between statistical mapping and actual visual reasoning, check out the paper and dive into the architecture.